What's up guys, earlier this week, leaked benchmark test result from a Geekbench 5.1 test run on the unreleased Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus revealed something disappointing but not at all surprising. Samsung's upcoming S20 Plus include bleeding edge specifications such as a new Snapdragon 865 processor, 4GB of RAM, and the fastest available storage, but the upcoming new 2020 flagship still isn't even as fast or as powerful as Apple's iPhones from the last year. And since Samsung's new Galaxy S20 Plus can't even outperform the iPhone 11 from 2019, it's obviously going to be obliterated by the new iPhone 12 series phones that Apple released in 2020. It's certainly not the end of the world, and the phone should offer improved performance compared to the Galaxy S10 series. But considering Samsung's ongoing rival with Apple and hardcore Android fans' ongoing rival with Apple fans, Samsung would certainly like to reach a point where the year-old iPhones don't outperform its brand new Galaxy flagships. As it turns out, however, there's another Galaxy S20 smartphone with even crazier specifications that might finally approach or even surpass the iPhone. In my last video, I told you about a big leak that likely revealed the specifications and the launch date for the Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra. After Apple switched things up in 2019 by ditching the R and replacing it with a phone simply called iPhone 11, Samsung is following the Cupertino company's lead for a change. The Galaxy S10e will be succeeded by the Galaxy S20, which will be the new entry-level Galaxy S phone. Then the Galaxy S20 Plus will be swapped a version of that phone, and a third model will be made available with the craziest specification we have ever seen in a smartphone. According to the previous leak, the Galaxy S20 Ultra will pack up to 16GB of RAM along with other specifications upgrade and micro SD card support. The removable storage will be nice, but its potential performance upgrade we have got our eye on. Now here's the question, could this finally be the Samsung phone that match or even top Apple's iPhones from last year? We won't know for certain until we get a hands-on one following Samsung's launch event on Feb 11th in San Francisco. What we do know, however, is that the phone's design leaked some time ago. Now, a graphic designer Waqar Khan has wiped up new images based on everything we have seen so far. He shared those new Galaxy S20 Ultra images in a new YouTube video and in a post on a blog called Windows United, and the phone looks positively stunning. Check out the video link is given in the description box below. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.